Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon. Today I will bring you Solana. But before I get into that, guys, I gotta do the YouTube thing. Please, guys, I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, so I can hit my goal. It's a big goal, guys, but I'm trying to hit it, so let's begin, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and let's go. So Solana, guys, is ranked number 8 on the list, currently trading for $82.06 as I'm making this video, with a market cap of $26 billion, guys. Now, what is Solana? So Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technologies, permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance DeFi solutions. While the idea of initial work on the project began in 2017, Solana was officially launched in 2020 by the Solana Foundation with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. So guys, that is Solana. I'm going to break it down which markets you guys can trade or hodl this, guys. You're Binance, Coinbase Exchange, FTX, KuCoin, Huobi Global, FTX USS, US, Kraken, Gate.io, Bybit. Let me see what else. So they're pretty much on the big ones, Liquid, Bithumb. So guys, when it comes to the top 100 cryptos, they're usually on all platforms, and liquidity is pretty easy. You can get in and out, especially this one being number 8. But let's see their price rating, guys. So their price rating, they got a B with symmetry. That is a massive thing. This was last year, last year, 2021, July 15th. This is again a triple B by Stable Outlook. If you look, it is in the top 98% of cryptocurrencies. So I talk about a lot of cryptocurrency, guys. There's a lot of crypto that don't have ratings and some that do. I do like the ones that do, but ones that don't have doesn't mean they're bad. Just that there's a lot of cryptocurrencies. Right now, there's 17,764. There are many that come out, and not all of them get price ratings. So it doesn't mean that those are better, it's just that this one got to the price rating a lot sooner. But let's move on to some news, guys. So the coin market cap news that they have, you can look at Solana leads pack with BitHub, commits to the past 3 months of the chain. It came out 16 hours ago. Solana and Avalanche investment products lead altcoin inflows. So if you're looking for some news, guys, I'll have this link below. But let's check out their website, guys. So here's their website. What I do like is when they show stuff like this. They have 2,137 transactions per second, totaling to almost, let's see, 59 billion transactions. And the cost per transaction on average is 0.00025. And the validator knowledge is 1,000. Join the fastest growing ecosystem. So if you guys are looking for amazing cryptocurrency, check out their website, learn more about it. I recommend you guys read more about a cryptocurrency before jumping into it. Learn more about their community, their network, the developers. Learn more before jumping into a crypto, not just is pumped up by some celebrity or some influencer. Okay. Now let's head to their Twitter page. They have 1.4 million followers, so a huge following. You look at some news articles, guys. This came out 15 hours ago. Excited to announce our 3 million seed from Multi-Cap Coin. So they got some money from this company. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have it linked below. Also, if you guys want to check out some other things that they have, you check it out. But guys, also follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. Or I think my Twitter is Andre McClendon. I talk a lot about political stuff that I do not talk about on my YouTube channel as much. But I talk about political stuff. If you want to get into that with me, I would love to have the conversation. But let's get to my what's it called price prediction. So guys, my price prediction for this, guys, if you've noticed, it's probably going to be lower. And let's jump right into it and see what my analysis will be. Alright guys, so our trend is our friend. And our current trend is heading down lower. Since Solana hit $260-ish, it has been taking some massive profits. People are taking sales. They're just exiting their position. Especially if you look down here. Whoever bought back in 2020 November, they are sitting fat. But now they've been taking profits. So that's a good thing when it comes to cryptocurrency. Many people don't take profits. They just want to hold on forever. For me, I have planned profits and planned exits. If you do not, I would suggest that you do. Plan your entry, plan your exit. Well, let's plan our entry right here. See what it would do at the current price. And for this, guys, what's going to zoom? We're on the weekly right now. Let's go to the daily. All right. You guys can't see that. Let me zoom in a little bit more right here. So if you notice that it's been truly respecting this trend line here. And it almost attempted to hit this trend line, but heading down lower, and it's slowing down. Our next big resistance level that we have, support level, my bad, is this zone right here. Now, what many people are going to do, I'm just going to assume, or just have an educated guess, is that they are going to be placing their buy limits in this zone, because they're going to hope that it's going to hit higher, break this trend line to head up higher. So if I have to guess, the majority of people are going to do is do that here and enter here and to head up higher. So the trend is your friend. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to wait this out and do a price alert in this section, $64.64. That is what my price alert is going to do. First, engage price alert. This is because I know what the majority are going to do, and I want to wait to see if they get their money taken. Because if they get the money taken, it's going to head down lower. They may do a short-term pop-up, but if it doesn't, it might head down lower. It's trend's your friend. A lot of people are exiting, they're probably shorting. I want to make sure that if it does engage that new trend reversal to head up to higher highs, I want to make sure that I get onto that, but after it hits certain points. So you see this high, guys, right here? I want to make sure that it hits this high and closes above it. So my price prediction, guys, if it bounces off the support, will be $104. Understand what I'm saying, guys. $104 if it hits this zone, bounces, and goes to this zone and closes. If it doesn't, it's possibly going to be bouncing, breaking the trend line that I currently have, but possibly heading down lower again. That makes sense? That's what some analysis that I see. But what I'm going to do to make sure I don't put like a buy stop right there, I'm going to put another price alert. One price alert here at $64 and some change, okay? And then place my other price alert at my price prediction at $104. So I get 2 notifications. And if I'm wrong and it heads down lower, I can just place another another price alert like at $50. So if it gets down lower, I can watch it to see if it's going down. This cryptocurrency is in the top 10. It's not I can short it, but I'm not a fan of shorting cryptos. So unless it's like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, I'll short those all day. Especially what's happening right now with them. But guys, remember, that's my price prediction is $104 only if it bounces off that. And if it doesn't, it heads down lower, then it's going to be breaking down much lower, might be hitting the $50 level. But for the people who are bullish, I will say 104. If it closes above it and builds some structure and then heads up higher, then I can make an updated video on where I think it's going to go there. I think 104 is the price after the bounce. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, let me know. We can talk about it in the comments below. But also, once again, guys, I need to hit my goal of 2,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the video, subscribe to my channel. Also, let's get to my website. Now, I've been updating it like crazy, guys, adding a lot of statistical data in there, so to help you guys out, help myself out too, because I use my website. This is in the economy section, gold and silver. Also, when it comes to signing up, you guys can make an account. It's all free, guys. Just go to andrejmcclennan.com. Here's some indicators, guys. Also, if you're looking for indicators for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, you guys can do that too. And if you're looking for a custom indicator, guys, let me know. I make indicators and I make trading robots. If you want to have a conversation about how much it costs and what I can develop, just let me know. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.